Sandy Island Road, heading on over. And no, you cannot drive over here. Ain't nothing changed. That's why we're heading over to help with another fundraiser for the barge that our folks need over on this side. So you're talking about coming all the way through Georgetown, Pawleys Island, and then coming on over to the dock, and then crossing the water. Water to bring you, the water going to take we back. So we Gwine Bak Sandy Island one more again. This your time for another fundraiser, fish fry, the community fish fry and thing like that. So on the chillin', we gonna let you tune in a little while and see what's going on over here on this beautiful day on Sandy Island. But how the children do this year, the Queen Quet coming on one more again for Sandy Island. Now, I want the children tune in the last couple of times to Gullah Geechee TV, and you see me been here. You see me been on this your porch right here, the Pine General Store. Well, one of the things we come for do today is get a family some of the emergency preparedness kits and things like that in case any more storm and other rest of things come. Well, guess what? Hurricane Florence, where they tell y'all they act like, oh, it ain't been that big a deal up this side or wherever, right in Georgetown County, Sandy Island right there. Well, the store did flood. Now you see where the brother sitting at on the porch right yonder? The water came all the way up that high. So now all the floors and things inside have to be replaced. So even while we here to raise money for the barge gonna be what necessary to bring the wood over so that you can replace the boards in the floor. So this is why it's so important, a thing like that, when we tell on the children about the different fundraisers what's going on in the Gullah Geechee Nation, why every dollar do count. Because we right here literally in the face of climate change, fighting back though. We ain't gonna just go out nowhere just because this year come. Okay, just like water come up, it grind down, and we keep we family together and keep we community alive and grind on. So we are supporting the community fish fry today, but y'all can keep supporting. We gonna put the website on this there, and y'all can keep getting for help we family. We're right here, deep on this island called Sandy. And Hunter children know if Hunter did with me, Hunter going know this year that what's going on. This Queen Quet, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation, right here, Sandy Island.
So there's a lot of stuff that I want to do with it, but
take your time.
You got to take your time. Not only that, you got to have the right equipment and stuff, and then also
heavy equipment too.
Heavy equipment and manpower.
Yeah, that's why I asked you how much help you got. Yeah, that's the first thing I was thinking about. What kind of fish do y'all largely get right here around y'all?
Well, last night.
I know you get catfish a lot. Oh, you caught some last night? Who you caught?
Last night, let's see what last night, there was a largemouth bass right there.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
How many pounds?
I didn't even,
That's a big boy. Yeah, that's a beauty.
Look at that, yeah.
You done ate them already?
No, I tossed that thing back.
Oh, you tossed it back because it's too big?
No.
Why?
I tossed it back because...
You didn't want no bass?
No, because of the flood waters and stuff.
Oh, yeah,
I'm just letting
you
it,
letting
all
it go.
the contamination and stuff.
Get out.
Trying to get
That's what I was concerned about. Have they tested the water up here already?
I'm pretty sure they
Since
did.
the storms? Have they said anything? But they ain't
but
saying
I haven't heard anything. I haven't actually followed up with the reports and stuff.
Okay,
but
that's
I can
what
get
I
with the
was
guys and
wondering
stuff
about.
and find out. 'Cause I know they were finding like sewage and some of the other stuff.
That's what I was afraid of, because all this overbuilding up there.
Yeah, and I was seeing that one. Where did you go? You went out there to Kentucky, I believe, or someplace, and you were talking about the flood. I caught it online. I was watching and you were saying that some of that ash from the nuclear plant.
Yeah, that was North Carolina that was coming down to water.
So if that was if that ash was in the water and stuff,
right,
so
it floated down
floated right
this
on
way.
down this way.
Exactly, coal ash.
Yeah. So,
And that was a big concern. And there's the nuclear plant that was talking it crazy about, we got to contain. How can you contain this?
Right.
Let's be realistic.
Well, they're just being arrogant.
Yeah,
That's
and
the
they're
problem.
trying to cover themselves from
Right.
lawsuits. They were trying to get out ahead of the storm and get the story out there for PR. I was like, don't buy this nonsense, because they're talking too soon. The
Right.
storm ain't even hit yet, and you gonna tell us you got something contained?
Yeah, you got something under control ain't happening.
That ain't happened yet? Please, get out of here.
what you about
Yeah.
to be faced with?
There we go. And now once it hits, it's like,
Yeah.
yeah.
And it surprised us a lot too, because that water came up so high.
Oh, your mom was showing me how far they come past that
It
tree
came
down
up.
there. And it came up in here.
It came all the way up here, about that sign right there. And they
Uh-huh.
have to have a boat to get from here all right there. You see,
So this whole section was underwater that we just
Underwater.
walked through.
Yep.
And then it was what, a little dry spot and then more water?
All this whole section right here was pretty much
From the store all the way up.
just from the store.
Okay.
Right there.
Just where the
boat
car
is,
is.
and that
Okay.
car's coming,
Yeah,
right back there where the boat is.
got you.
A little bit further up the hill.
Yeah.
All the way right here to the.
To this area.
As you get back there, you see the marking of the water on the side of the tree.
True.
How it came up.
Wow.
Yeah.
And how, what, did it take a week or more to go there?
It took, it took almost 2 or 3 weeks for it to go back down.
2 to 3 weeks. Yeah,
Yeah,
that
that
sounds
current
more
was
like
strong.
what happened with us with
Yeah.
Matthew. Yeah.
That
Yeah.
current was very strong out there, so we already know the dynamics of the river bottom
Right.
has already been compromised.
Compromised. Yeah.
So the current will be a little bit stronger.
Stronger now.
Cars coming.
Not even.
And that's what I kept saying to people. I said they don't understand that when these storms happen, it's
Oh,
almost
they
like a
don't.
natural dredging.
Exactly.
Yeah. So areas that you used to see that looked like this, all of a sudden are straight.
Like straight now.
And you go, whoa, when did that happen?
Exactly.
And that was when the storm came rushing
One
through there,
thing
that
about
rushing water.
And one thing about water does not compress.
No,
It pushes and it moves.
that's right. That's right.
Let me go ahead and close.
We got to be like water. That's what we need to be doing. That's right. Push. So, until this year, we leave tears of what been going on today from Sandy Island and things like that. Now, you know, we about to wind down the air over here and things like that. But, until get ready, because next spring, back in April, one more again, we came back for Sandy Island Community Day. So, until that day coming in on the week. So, make sure you continue to follow GullahGeecheeNation.com. We going to be putting up all the details right there. And wanna follow me at Gullah Geechee. Wanna go and truly know what's going on with we, and when we come back, right there for join the family on Sandy. Peace and blessing, everybody.